Mr. Mtuno, please tell us more. We are here, we've been seeing the protest of women here. Please tell us more. What is happening and what are these developments?
There are more than 10 buildings here in points that have been occupied by illegal immigrants, and the majority of them they are occupied illegally, and the Durban city is doing nothing. The management of Durban Metro, they are doing nothing, and the government of South Africa and the province of KwaZulu-Natal, they are doing nothing until the civil organization and the whole South African people come together to make sure that no, enough is enough. Because I want to make it very clear that people on the ground, they got all the information about where crime occurs and who is allowing the crime to continue, and who is also doing the crime, and who are the police that are corrupt in our society. And we have witnessed that in Heathrow, we have witnessed that in Uval, we have witnessed that in Gauteng province and in GSP CPT, and also in Pretoria. As I'm standing here, I was on tears when I ran up on my own this building until the 9th floor, and then each and every floor, 5 of them, they are full of illegal immigrants that are doing drugs. 6th floor, 7th floor, as well as the 9th floor, they are all selling drugs. We got a young gentleman from the DRC, Congo, who it's a shame when young people like at the age of 18 and also the age of maybe 16, they are here, they are saying they are staying with their mom, and now in this building only occupied, and they also managed to show us, we can never reveal them, they managed to show us where the drugs occurs. And I was also accompanied by the police, and also Olani Kumalo got a tip off and also managed to grab the drug cartels kings that are occupying all this place. And as we are going from here, we are going to another place that is confirmed that how drugs are being mixed here in South Africa, and also how prostitution is done, because citizens of South Africa, they are tired about the illegal immigrants doing so much corruption in this country. As we have managed and see that the Malawians that was there in Gauteng fighting us, and now he's the most wanted, and he's got a team of killers that are based in Malawi and in South Africa. They are being paid to kill the people. Maybe you can see that during the time of 2006, our hero, Lucky Dube, was killed as a result of illegal immigrants. Now we have lost DJ Warrants, and the majority of people that are being killed, non-broadcasted and broadcasted. They are also being killed by the non-citizenship of illegal immigrants. And we are saying that we are tired. If our government want to kill us, they must kill us. And we are doing it peacefully, and we are doing it aligned with the rule of law. And someone was accusing us about running the horse in the city of Durban, saying that since he was born, he never seen what is happening. They say, where is the law that says it's not allowed? There's no law that says that. We are genius people. We may look down, we are genius people. We know exactly what is happening, and we know our constitution, and we know our regulation. That's why we are here. Police are respecting us, and everyone is respecting us. Thank you to Babu Mkhwanazi for making sure that all the drug cartels in South Africa, now their time is over. And thank you for whomever that they've appointed General Mkhwanazi to say to make sure that a deal with the organized crime in this country. Now it's time, all the youth of South Africa and everyone, whomever you are there, all corners of the world, can we all stand up and make sure that we reparate our own country peacefully and making sure that we are following the rule of law, because when we are arrested, our country is going to be destroyed even more. Whomever that can come to this country with the aim of destroying it, because it's the last hope of Africa. The last hope of Africa, South Africa, can be destroyed by illegal immigrants allowed by all these stupid politicians that are taking money from illegal routing, Julius Malema and all of other politicians. Their time is over. Thank you to Chasina Mangobese. Thank you, Pagalam Tara.
Mr. Mtunu, can you see this process going over now, because we are seeing that these guys are not backing off?
We will never back off. You are working, my brother. Respect your work and ask questions. We are not backing off. We are, as we are standing here, we are going back to Gauteng and unite all the buildings that are corrupt and making sure that the justice is done. Because some of the police officers, they are with us. Thank you very much for that. Because they are sick and tired. They always tell us that they are tied up by the rules and regulations of their work conduct. And what I've seen here, I will tell the generational people ever. Engubonile lapha engixoxela amagama eqhobana. Xoxela amagama eqhobana izosenalo ma-Afrika amahle amabhilidi angaphezu kweshumi ala afuye abantu abeney'dakamizwa, abenza iy'dakamizwa. Uhambo lwami bengelihamba belihamba namaphoyisa phakathi. Amaphoyisa abone imihlobo ebabaza phambi kwami shuthi macingwane lento engiyenzayo noma ngobese nophakela umthakathi noxolani umfoka khumalo iwumlando omkhulu kakhulu ngoba bona banqindwe amandla njengabaphoyisa. Njengamanje benganxusa ukuthi yonke South Africa noma singabukeka singabantu abahlanyayo, kodwa basukume bonke abantu beqaqa amadolobha nedolobha bangantshontshi, bangavandalazi lutho, besebenzisa umthetho abawufundisiwe wezwe laseNingizimu Afrika ukuthi nakanjani aqinisekise ukuthi onke abantu abalanga okungekho emthethweni bayahamba. And okubuhlungu from eMaputo to Namibia, bonke abantu mokubuka ukuthi more than 3,000 kilometers okuhlukaniswa khona ilokujana isiqiwe lesokuthiwa iKruger National Park. Abantu bayingenela bayiphumela, uvulwa isango kodwa umuzi awubiyiwe, uvulwa isango umuzi awubiyiwe. I think it's now time that the next government of South Africa must invest more in saying that we are sweeping all the illegal immigrants of this country in this country, and we are making sure that our borders become a greater gain. And ngiyamthanda mina Donald Trump, angifuni uqamba amanga bafowethu, umuntu okwazi ukucabanga labantu bakubo. Thina leyo nto lasinayo inhlanhla enjalo bafowethu yokuthi abaholi becabangele thina kuqala, bonke becabangela bona, badla imali, bawosopolitiki, bayasutha, ngisho abantu esibathembile oThamsanqa Ntuli uweyo premier wethu ebenza umsebenzi omuhle eKingcetshwayo, wenza umsebenzi omuhle eNkandla, kodwa bese upremier yini emhluphayo ukuthi akwazi uqondisa igwegwe. Uma uhulumeni noma uMEC are responsible for what we are doing as normal citizens of South Africa, akaxoshwa ngani awazi leyo nto leyo. Yini nabasabana thina akasabi. And now is our time to take over government to the hands of the normal citizen of South Africa, because basidinga kusasa lokho kusayo nina nizobe niqanjelwa amanga kuthiwe nina hayi thina sokulungisa lokho. Baqala bayaphawula ngabanye banamanga bonke noma bangachaza bethini kunini bephethe kunama-illegal immigrants kuyizingane zethu zamadrugs. Owacabanga ukuthi ama-drugs ayofika kwanengoma imhlolo engaka ayofika enkandla afike enquthu, iy'ngane zethu ziyabhuquza, ayikho ikusasa kulelizwe. Uma singasuka manje sona sihlaleleni, ngitshela manje ngithi mina uma ngingafa manje I don't care. mangibona wena iqiniso and umzabalazo nje ngoqala namhlanje nanhlele endlini ngo-2021 kwenzeka isigameko esikhulu sokuboshwa kwababa wethu saphuma sawobabaza sababaza kwababazeka futhi.
So ngabe kuzokwenzakalani-ke yonke le nto enitholile nenibonile ngaphakathi khona bazoboshwa kuzokwenzakalani?
And into emnandi kakhulu baboshiwe abanye njengamanje basikhuluma noma ngagcwala amajele bawufela khona izinja imgodoyi sithi asahlethi siwuZulu sizolimela lelizwe. Siyabonga kakhulu e-Eastern Cape ukuthi basijoyine babe nengxenye nathi. Siyabonga kakhulu kubantu baseLimpopo naseMpumalanga nakwamanye ama-province abantu bahlukumezekile abasafuni manje. Ngiyacela ngani zami one day I will die and leave you because you are young, but you must never allow izinto eziyokwenzeka empilweni zenu nithi niyahlonipha umthetho ukuthi umthetho ungawufundile ukuthi unjani. Namhlanje wesigabashiya ngamashi la kodwa nazi ukuthi le nto leyo iyenzeka. Namhlanje asinesicucu thina esithi asimashe simise izwe kanje kodwa silimisile ngoba amalungelo ethu siyawazi ukuthi ahamba fikile. Namanje wengane zakwethu can the whole South Africa stand up? Siyabuyela eGoli, iGoli namaphethelo alungise yonke into siyokeka amabhilidi kanje ngoba sesitholile itiphofu ayikho into esingayazi ukuthi amadrag akuphi. Siyacela baba Mkhonase uyisebenzise iportfolio yakho entsha usiphelezele siyeGoli. Ziyakhala manje.